Imagine a world where construction projects are seamlessly executed with precision and efficiency. Welcome to the realm of building information modeling, or BIM for short. In this real-life case study, we delve into the transformative power of BIM in the construction industry. Picture this: a team of architects, engineers, and contractors collaborating in a digital environment, sharing real-time data and 3D models. With BIM, every aspect of a building project is meticulously planned and simulated before a single brick is laid. From clash detection to cost estimation, BIM streamlines the entire construction process, saving time and resources. But it doesn't stop there. BIM also enhances communication among stakeholders, ensuring everyone is on the same page from concept to completion. Now, let's talk data. BIM generates a treasure trove of information, from material specifications to maintenance schedules. This data-driven approach not only optimizes building performance, but also facilitates future renovations and upgrades. In conclusion, BIM isn't just a buzzword. It's a game changer in the construction industry. By harnessing the power of technology and data, BIM revolutionizes how we design, build, and manage structures. So, next time you see a skyscraper reaching for the sky, remember, behind the scenes, BIM is making it all possible.